Alright guys, today we're going to be installing our new Fender, the prototype, to see how it all fits and see what kind of clearance we have between the lip of the Fender and the face of the console wheel. On the inside of the panel, we also got a couple of bolts here, and those are, I'm using a 7mm to get those off. Alright, so I got the overall shape marked where I want it to be. That should fix the front end being out too much. So it looks actually like the wheel is towed in, which is not. And you can kind of see it right there. Alright, let's try that, see how it works. go, trimmed up a little better. I mean, yeah, that should do the trick. Cool, cool, cool. Next, we're going to how to mold it in. Take the screws off of it and hopefully have a final part by the end of next week, ready for mold. So, and yeah, that's it. It's gotta come in a little bit on this side again. So I'm gonna have to work this area right here some in. That way when I take the mold off of this, I can take it to the other side and have a matching side without having too much hassle. So you want to make sure that your arches and everything are just perfect. So when you take it to the other side, you don't have to battle with it. So let's get in there. So I just gotta fix this area right here. Sticks out too far. So that's it. I'll leave you with that. And until the next one. Alright, still sitting a little high. You guys are, you know why. Rolling it, or jacking it up. So, I don't think it's bolted down yet, but you get the idea. So what I was looking for is so we could definitely bring it in a little bit, especially on the sides. Kind of don't like it right now, but that's the idea, is to fit that tire. And that's a 255. Eventually, get a 265 or something like that, but I'm not trying to run ginormous tires on this car. So it does pretty good the way it is. So I'm gonna bring it in some, especially on the outer edge. You can kind of tell. And then start making up the final plug for the mold. So that's about it. It's pretty simple. Wish the car had coilovers again, so I could, you know, pretty much slam it down and do what I gotta do, but this'll work. This'll work. Alright. With that said, till the next one.